This is Vijayalakshmi Badrapur and I am from BSc 5th Sem and I am a student of Sri Siddheshwar Government Postgrad College and PG Study Center, Nargund. Today I am here to deliver my seminar on topic of water quality parameters like BOD, COD, etc. Let's start with COD, chemical oxygen demand. COD is an empiric laboratory assay which measured the amount of organic matter contained in a water sample with the help of chemical oxidizing agent such as potassium dichromate and potassium permanganate. COD is a means of all organic matter, both biodegradable and non-biodegradable. This test is useful in study of pollution strength of domestic and wastewater. The open reflex method is suitable for wide range of wastes is discussed here. COD values are generally greater than BOD values. Principle: the organic matter gets oxidized completely by potassium dichromate and silver sulfate catalyst in presence of H2SO4 to produce CO2 plus H2O. The excess of potassium dichromate remaining in after the reaction is titrated with FeNH4 taken twice, SO4 taken twice. The dichromate consumed gives the O2 required for oxidation of organic matter. 3CS2O plus 16H plus Cr2O7 minus gives the reaction 4Cr3 plus 3CO2 plus 11 H2O molecules. Reagents: standard potassium dichromate of 0.250 normality, sulfuric acid reagent, standard ferrous ammonium sulfate with normality 0.1 and ferroin indicator, mercuric sulfate, potassium hydrogen phthalate. Calculation: here is the formula for calculation of COD. COD is equal to B minus A into N into 1000, where A is volume of FAS used for sample, B is volume of FAS used to blank, and it is in ml. N is equal to normality of FAS. COD level 0 to 5 mg per liter indicates very clean stream. Chemical oxygen demand parameter COD standards: in land surface water 250 mg per liter, in marine coastal area it's 250 mg per liter. BOD, biochemical oxygen demand. BOD is the amount of dissolved oxygen required to break down the organic material of the sample by aerobic biological microorganisms at certain temperatures over a specific period of time. This parameter is determined with the consumption of oxygen by microorganisms during 5 days of incubation at 20 degrees Celsius. CS2O plus O2, CO2 plus H2O. BOD indicates the amount of pollution of water. Lower the BOD indicates the water is good quality for aquatic life or little aerobic activity, whereas higher BOD indicates the water is highly polluted. When the BOD is higher, then dissolved oxygen becomes lower. So aquatic organisms are unable to survive at normal rate. If it becomes stressed, they may die. Determination of BOD. The most common and popular method for determination of biochemical oxygen demand is recognized by US and EPA. It is not accurate quantitative test, although it is widely used as an indicator for the amount of pollution. Procedure: take 2 samples of water, record the DO level in ppm of 1 immediately using the method described in the dissolved oxygen test. Place the second water sample in an incubator in a complete darkness at 20 degrees Celsius for 5 days. If you don't have any incubator, wrap the water sample bottle in aluminum foil or black electrical tape and store in a dark place at room temperature 20 degrees Celsius or 68 Fahrenheit degree. After 5 days, take another dissolved oxygen reading using the dissolved oxygen kit. Subtract the day 5 reading from the day 1 reading to determine the BOD result in ppm. Calculation. The difference between the two DO levels represents the amount of oxygen required for the decomposition of any organic material in the sample. BOD mg per liter is equal to D1 minus D2 divided by V, where D1 is initial dissolved oxygen, D2 is final dissolved oxygen, V is volume of sample. BOD levels and remarks. If BOD is 1 mg per liter, then it means it's very clean. Then if it is 2 mg per liter, clean. 3 mg per liter, fairly. 4 mg per liter, doubtful. 5 mg per liter, it's contaminated. BOD of some collected samples from different sources. Normal water 0 to 3, river water 5 to 20, sewage water 50 to 100, industrial water 150 to 1000, inland surface water 30, land for irrigation 100, marine coastal area 100, public sewers 350. It's all about water quality parameters like BOD and COD. Thank you everyone for hearing my presentation. Have a nice day.